Hello, people from all over the world. Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, guys, consider subscribing because many contents are coming on this channel. So today we are going to learn more about colors. Okay, colors or paints. Okay, in Kirundi. Okay. We're going to see more about colors and or paints in Kirundi. So in Kirundi, when we talk about colors, a color is ibara. Ibara. Okay, ibara. Colors, amabara. 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 Paint is irangi. Irangi. And paint amarangi. Amarangi. Let's start with black. Black color is ibara girabura. Ibara girabura. Ibara girabura. Okay. White color is ibara gera. Ibara gera. Blue color is ibara gyubururu. Ibara gyubururu. Bururu. Ibara gyubururu. Ibara gyubururu. Yellow color is ibara gyumuhondo. Ibara gyumuhondo. Gyumuhondo. Ibara gyumuhondo. Red color is ibara ritukura. Ibara ritukura. Ibara ritukura. Green color is ibara ry'icatsi kibisi. Ibara ry'icatsi kibisi. Ibara ry'icatsi kibisi. Brown color is ibara ry'inginagina. Ibara ry'inginagina. Ibara ry'inginagina. Ginginagina. Okay. Pink color is ibara ry'iconge. Ibara ry'iconge. Okay. So what you have to know about Burundians, so mostly in Burundi, people are described by their skin color. Let's talk about a black person. A black person in Kirundi is umuntu yirabura. Umuntu yirabura. A black person, umuntu yirabura. A white person is umuntu yera. Okay, that's formal, but mostly for informal, a white person is called umuzungu. Umuzungu. Okay, mostly in the city or in the quarter, every people, it's not easy to hear someone saying umuntu yera is umuzungu mostly when talking. A brown person is umuntu w'inzobe. Umuntu w'inzobe. A light brown person is umuntu w'ikiyobe. Umuntu w'ikiyobe. Umuntu w'ikiyobe. Umuntu w'ikiyobe. A dark brown person is umuntu w'utubiri twompi. Umuntu w'utubiri twompi. Okay, umuntu w'utubiri twompi. A dark brown person is umuntu w'utubiri twompi. Okay, as I said before, in Burundi, people are described by their skin color. Okay, don't describe people in Burundi by the nose or the eyes. No, because the nose is going to be like a tribal discrimination. Okay, so better describe people by the skin color when you are in Burundi. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murakoze chane. So see you in the next video. So hopefully now you learned a lot about the colors in Kirundi, and also you know that in Burundi we describe people by their skin color. So have a good day.